Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Turck's latest innovation in connectivity, the Torque sleeve, which is available exclusively with our newly redesigned M12 cord sets. The Torque sleeve was invented to solve one of the most common application problems, which is how do you ensure that you're keeping water, oil, and other contaminants out of the contact area. When utilized, the Torque sleeve gives the cord set its full IP rating. With Turck's Torque sleeve, meeting the required minimum torque is a snap. Simply use the keyway indicator on the plug body to align the connector, then turn like usual. The larger coupling grip area makes it easier on your fingers and easier to tighten. As you're tightening, you'll feel the anti-vibration clicking. Then, as you begin to get the connector fully tight, you'll feel the O-ring compress and snap. Now you know the connector is tight enough. Turck's Torque sleeve can be ordered factory installed or as an accessory. To install the Torque sleeve, simply locate this notch and orient it towards the plug body. Expand the Torque sleeve and slide it over the coupling nut. Give it a little bit of a wiggle and twist and compress, and you'll feel it snap into place. The Torque sleeve can be removed from a mated or unmated cord set with a flat-bladed screwdriver. Simply put the screwdriver into the notch and twist, then expand the Torque sleeve and pull it off the cord. Turck's Torque sleeve is compatible with our newly redesigned M12 cord sets and our standard junction boxes. They're also available in 9 different colors, allowing you the option to color code and aid in error-proofing your installation. Turck's Torque sleeve. It's a snap.